It's actually better taking a video than taking all the photos. You actually really get to see it, eh?
Mm-hmm. Well, I'll see you later then, Paul.
No bother, Kevin, I'll see you later on. Just start it again. Get the keys. You see, all the lights come on. This is me starting it, and you'll see the lights going out. You see the oil pressure. It's me getting in. Oop, jungs. I don't know if you can see that AJ, but oil pressure, battery hang me, temperature gauge and that will not move just now, but it does move very slightly. So your buttons, your heater, steering, radio. I don't know if you can hear it AJ, but this is it. I'll get a wee rev. Take a video of the outside there now.